told you to write this. Quantity of sauce in 1 bottle. Quantity of sauce in how many? 230 bottles. Will be equals to 230 multiplied by 80 ml. So what you will do, 23 को आप सिर्फ 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करो इन रफ में कर लो या फेयर में कर लो, you'll get your answer. 23 को आप 8 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लो, whatever the answer will come, put 210 and 20 in the end. जो भी आंसर आएगा उसकी लास्ट में 2 zeros and ml लिख लो. Do this. Quantity of sauce in 1 bottle, quantity of sauce in this much bottles. What is the answer coming? 184. Okay, 3 is 24. 2 here, 8 to the 16 plus 2, 180. Okay, so answer will be 18400 ml. Why the 0? This 1 0 and this 0. 18400 ml. Now, question they are asking how many liters they are asking. So that means you have to convert 18400 ml to 18400 को हमें क्या बनाना है? Liters में change करना है. Okay, as you know, so I'm writing down the table here. L, DL, CL, ML. This is the table. Question is given to us in milliliter और इसको क्या बनाना है? Liter. तो आप क्या करोगे? Multiply or divide? What we will do?
Ma'am, divide. Ma'am, we will do divide.
You will do the divide. Divide by what? Wait a second. Divide by what?
Ma'am, by 100. 100.
Are you sure?
Ma'am, by 100.
By how many?
Ma'am, by 2.
3.
1,000.
By 3 zeros. By 3
Ma'am,
zeros.
we will be just dividing it by 1,000.
By 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. See here. By 3 zeros, 1 gap, 2 gap, and 3 gap. Divided by 3 zeros. So answer will be 18400. L तो आप लिखोगे 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 से पहले you will put 1 point. So answer will be 18.400 liters. Now you can simply write it here. So answer will be how many liters of salt? So 18.400 liters of sauce produced every day. Produced every day. Complete it. Jaldi se.
Ma'am, our chapter is completed now.
Yes, the chapter is completed now. This was the last question of the chapter. Huh? Kya? Now you can send me the work. Yes. Yes, you can send the work as well as I'm going to tell you some of the things related to this. Yes, you can send me the answers. You can send me the answers also as well. Please send me the answers and I'll tell you what to do now. I'm going to teach you some of the things. Chapter only, I'm going to teach you something extra. You can say an activity type. I'll tell you how come. First of all, let's say, do you know 1000 grams is equals to 1 kg? You know that? Have you seen those weights? Weights होते हैं, देखे हैं वो? 1 kg का weight होता है, ऐसे shape के होते हैं, black color.
Yes, ma'am.
That's vegetable one, and the fruit seller vendors have them with them. 2 kg weight. And they have 100 gram weight also, like 100 gram weight, 200 gram weight. Have you seen that?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you seen that? Hello? Speak louder.
Ma'am, Divyanshu.
Yeah, Divyanshu, what have you seen? What are you saying? Speak louder.
Ma'am, I'm saying that I have seen.
Yes. So these are the weights. These are the weights. And total, we collect 1000 grams together. Suppose I'm having one weight of 500 gram and another weight of 500 gram. So total कितने हो गए? If I'll add them, suppose I'm having a weighing scale. अभी मेरे पास एक weighing scale है and I am having total how much? If I have 500 ग्राम का एक weight रखा मैंने और 500 ग्राम का एक weight रखा on a balance. On a balance.
1 kg.
Suppose this is a balance. I kept 500 gram weight and 500 gram weight on one pan. Total is how many grams? Total is how many grams?
Ma'am, 1000.
Total is 1000 gram. And if I put 1 kg weight here, will it be equal? क्या ये balance रहेगा? Which side will be greater? Which side will be smaller?
Yes, ma'am.
1 kg कितना हुआ? 1 kg only. बेटा 1000 gram is equals to 1 kg. 1 kilogram is equals to how many grams? 1000 gram. कैसे पता चला? If you know the table, kilo, hecta, deca, gram, deci, centi, milli. So if you see gram or kilogram, ग्राम और किलोग्राम में कितना गैप है? 10, 20, 30. 3 zeros का गैप है. तो जब हम 1000 ग्राम टुगेदर कलेक्ट करते हैं, it will form 1 kilogram. Okay, let me give you one question, an interesting question based on it. Just telling you, just give me a minute. So similarly, ऐसे ही जैसे 1 liter होता है ना, ऐसे 1 liter में कितना होता है? 1000 ml होता है. When we collect 1000 ml together, it will form 1 liter. When we connect 1000 ml together, it will make 1 liter. Abhi we'll do one experiment with this jug. Okay, just give me a minute. Abhi I'll show you something. That will be pause. A glass of it. What happened? You have a jug or a water bottle you can take. If this water bottle is of 1 liter or jug is of 1 liter. Okay. Now I am giving you one glass, different sizes of glasses. One glass, smaller glass, bigger glass and smaller glass. Okay. They have different ml of water. ml में है ये water. ml, ml, ml. If I say first one is holding 200 ml of first glass is having 200 ml of water. Second glass is holding, let it be 500 ml of water. This is holding 200 ml of water and this is holding 300 ml of water. ठीक है, अब ये water if you will pour into it, will it be equal? Will it be equal? The water will be equal or yes, Mehul, I cannot hear you. Yes, I cannot hear you. Mehul.
Ma'am, it will be equal.
Why it will be equal?
3 glasses, 3.
Rehansh, can you show me with your glass this thing, the same thing? Can you show me with your glass? Rehansh? Can you show me the same thing with your glass? Jug and glass you're having. This thing, this particular thing which I have shown here. This liter, this jug is of how many liters?
Okay, ma'am, I have only this type of glass.
It's okay, it's okay. You can fill different ml of water in this glass. Like 500 ml first you have it, okay, like this. I know you cannot measure it, but give an example. For example, you can show it like imaginary. Imaginary. You can show it imagine. You can imagine the water. Yeah. Open your mic.
Okay. Ma'am, first it will be 500 ml. Then it will be.
The jug is of how much ml? Jug is of how much ml? The jug is of how much? It is of 1000 ml. And how many liters? How many liters is it? It is of 1 liter. And this glass is having how much ml of water first you will pour into it?
Ma'am, 500.
500. Pour 500 ml of water into it.
Yes, ma'am.
Pour it.
Ma'am.
Glass भी उठा लो.
Glass को डालो.
You can take the glass also. Yeah. He can just, you can just pour 500 ml of water he poured into it. Yes. and then 200 ml. Then, acha, you pani bhi डाल रहे हो? Okay. Then again, if you pour 200 ml more, suppose 500 you filled in it, 200 you filled in it, and 200 more you fill in it. Now, is the jug full?
No,
No.
ma'am.
Why is it
100
not
ml is
full?
Ma'am, 100 ml is left.
100 ml is left. Why 100 ml is left? You have to explain me this now.
five.
Ma'am, because ma'am, first I put 500 ml
Huh.
water in jug.
Huh.
Then ma'am, I put 200
Huh.
200 again in jug. So ma'am, total it is 700 ml.
Good.
Then ma'am, I put more 200 ml in jug. So ma'am, it is 900. So ma'am,
Very
100 ml is.
Very good. As he said, understood all of you? What he is saying? He is having this jug of
Yes,
1000 ml, or you can say 1 liter. If he is having this jug is of 1 liter or 1000 ml. First, he poured 500 ml of liter water in it. Then he poured 200. Then he poured how much? Sorry, 200. So 500, 200, 700 ml of water. Then he poured 200 more into it. Then total is 900. If total is 900 and and this jug is of 1 liter, that means 1000 ml. So how much is left? How much is left? 1000 का है और 900 fill हुआ है. कितना बचा है?
ma'am, 100 ml.
100 ml is left. अच्छा, if you pour 200 ml into it, then what will happen, Rehansh? If you pour 200 more,
Ma'am, it is not possible because ma'am, I can only put 100 ml. If I will put 200 ml, it will be overflow.
very good. It will be overflowed. If you put more than 100 ml, it will be overflowed. Okay, so let me show you one question related to this one. Okay, okay. Can you see my screen now? Wait a minute. Just wait a minute. Let me open this. Just give me a second. This is the wrong one. Yeah. Wait, let me stop sharing this one. So wait, give me a second. I'm just opening the.
Students are there.
Only 7 students are there. They all are left. They all are left. सबको भूख लग रही होगी, खाना खाने भाग गए सब, है ना?
Yes,
Right? Am I right? खाना खाने भाग गए सब?
yes. Now after class, I will go into play.
Okay, now let me show you the screen of the question. Yeah, this is the question here in front of you all. Can you see the question? So what you have to do, you have to tell whether there will be enough, there will be extra, or there will be less number or less water. Okay, so first one, 200, 200 and 200. Total is how much?
600.
Total is how much? Total is, wait a minute.
600.
Total is
600
600
ml.
Here it is total 600 ml. If we see all these 3 glasses, if we count together, 200 plus 200 plus 200, they are making total how much? 600. कितना बना रहे हैं? 600 ml. अब 600 ml और ये 1 liter कितना होता है? 1000 ml. So will it be enough? Will it be enough or less or extra? क्या होगा? It will be less. That's why they have taken here less. ठीक है, अभी इसमें कितना और पानी आ सकता है? मुझे ये बताओ, कितना लेस है, कितना एक्स्ट्रा आ सकता है इसमें, कितना आ सकता है अभी और? Tell me, how much water can come into it?
Ma'am, 400 liters.
Yes.
Sorry, 400 milliliters.
400 milliliter, not liters. Yes, milliliters. 400 milliliter less water is there. Okay, in second one, 500, 200, 200 and 200. Can you tell me, is it correct?
Ma'am, it is
Enough, extra or what? Is it enough, extra or less? What is it?
Extra.
Huh?
700 ml, so it is
Extra.
It is extra. Very good. Why is it extra? Is it?
Ma'am,
It is extra. Why? Huh?
Ma'am, the capacity of jug is 1000 milliliter and it is total 1100 milliliter.
It is total coming, these all four glasses, if you calculate together, 500 plus 600. So total will be 1100, right? The
Yes,
total
ma'am.
is coming like
Yes, ma'am.
1100 and we need 1000 ml. So how many extra are there? How much extra is there? You tell me that thing. How many extra is there?
100
कितना ml extra है?
100 ml.
100 ml is extra here.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in third one. Now see the third one.
Ma'am, enough.
5221.
Ma'am, enough.
Enough. Why enough?
enough.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, because ma'am, 500
ma'am, because ma'am, it is total 1000 milliliter and the capacity of jug is also 1000 milliliter.
Yes, if you will calculate it, if you calculate all these four glasses together, 500 or 500. In तीनों का भी 5 है, 2 to 4 and 1 5. 2 to 4 and 1 5. 500 plus 500 is 1000. This is also 1000. So this will be enough. Understood, everyone? So 1000 liter is equals to how many milliliters? 1000 liter is equals to how many milliliters?
Ma'am, 1000.
1000 milliliter is equals to 1 liter. Sorry. Okay, understood, everyone? I hope everyone understood it, right? Okay. Okay, now see here. There is one thing. There is a mango milkshake recipe. Show the quantity needed in ml first column. Then show. Okay, I'm going to show you. Wait a second. I'm going to show the another one. See here. There's a mango milkshake. Read the second question. Mango milkshake recipe is show that the quantity needed in ml in the first column. Then show how much needed if only half of the quantity has to be made. Do this in your notebooks. Let it be not in notebook. Will not do in notebook. Mango pulp full recipe के लिए इतना 400 ml लगेगा और 200 ml इसके लिए लगेगा. Read only the third question. अगर हम 2 कप मैंगो पल्प बनाएंगे तो आप क्या लगेगा? सी ओके 2 cups vanilla ice cream. What is the recipe? Full recipe. Show that the ml in the first column. Then show how much will be needed. 1 bottle milk need 2 tablespoon honey. Wait a minute. Wait a second. Let me wait. See the third one. The table shows the amount of water person uses for different activities. Brushing के लिए इतना लेता है, washing dishes के लिए इतना लेता है, shower के लिए इतना ले रहा है, toilet flush के लिए इतना ले रहा है, drinking and cooking के लिए इतना ले रहा है. How much is water used for shower and brushing? Shower and brushing के लिए कितना use हो रहा है total? Tell me. For the total of shower and brushing, tell me quickly. What will be the answer of this? Shower और brushing के लिए कितना use होगा total?
ma'am, shower के लिए ma'am 100 liter.
हाँ टोटल बताओ बेटा. टोटल you have to tell the total. How much total? हाँ
And ma'am, brushing के लिए ma'am 500. Ma'am 5 ml. Ma'am,
yes
5 liter.
liter. Total has how much?
Ma'am 105.
Yes 105 liter. Very good, Divyanshu. See, you can see in shower that is he is using 100 liters. In shower he is using 100 liters, and in brushing teeth he is using 5 liter. So when you will add 500 liter and 5 liter, it will be total 105 liters. How much more water do we use to wash dishes than drinking and cooking? How much water more we use for washing dishes than cooking and drinking? Tell me.
Ma'am 60 liter.